Two SaaS giants, Zendesk versus Intercom. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Zendesk, the omni-channel customer support powerhouse. And on the right, Intercom, the AI chat-first sales and support platform. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, so here's the game plan. We're comparing Zendesk and Intercom across 7 key categories. Picture a mind map: ticketing and helpdesk, AI and automation, reporting and analytics, multi-channel messaging, pricing, security and compliance, and CRM and sales tools. We'll cruise through each one. And, I'm definitely calling out the quirks and highlights. Let's kick it off with ticketing and helpdesk. First up, Zendesk. And wow, it totally owns this space. It's got that industry-leading omni-channel ticketing, everything's unified for agents, and switching between channels is ridiculously smooth. The only hiccup? Automation is kind of basic, unless you add more stuff. Now, Intercom? The chat-first vibe is cool. You can flip a chat into a ticket in one click and track multi-request tickets pretty well. But honestly, Intercom's ticketing just isn't as deep or agent-friendly. Zendesk wins this round. No contest. Next, AI and automation. Zendesk's AI setup is super speedy and pre-trained on billions of customer interactions, so your bots aren't, totally clueless. But, and here's the catch, the fancy AI features do need some extra upgrades. Intercom? It's riding the AI wave, for real. Their chatbot, Finn, is smart, and they've got native automations working behind the scenes, so your support gets way more proactive. That said, sometimes the bot's responses lag or miss the mark. Still, Intercom snags the lead here. Rolling right along to reporting and analytics. Zendesk? It comes in hot with customizable dashboards, advanced analytics, and seriously deep reporting, especially if you're into QA. If you like digging into the numbers, this is your jam. Intercom's reporting keeps things simple. Just the basics, mostly conversational analytics. Decent for daily use, but doesn't pack nearly as much punch. Zendesk easily takes this one. And here's something cool. Did you know Zendesk integrates with over 1,800 third-party apps? That's kind of wild compared to Intercom's 450 plus. If your tech stack is all over the place, Zendesk's got your back. Let's talk multi-channel messaging. Zendesk, again, flexes with a unified workspace, supporting all kinds of channels and, get this, over 1,800 integrations. You want Slack, WhatsApp, Instagram? It's probably got it. Intercom keeps up with a shared inbox for the main messaging channels and throws in cool things like video calls and call dashboards. But, big drawback here. Want WhatsApp? It's a paid add-on. And fewer integrations overall, more like 450 plus. Zendesk nails the win. Pricing. Now, that's where things get juicy. Zendesk is packed across all tiers, but you're looking at about $55 per agent per month. And if you want the AI bells and whistles, prepare for add-ons. Intercom is more upfront, starting at $29 per seat each month, which is way easier on the budget. But watch out, those add-ons can sneak up and bump your bill before you know it. Still, Intercom grabs the win for pricing. Security and compliance is next. Zendesk? Total powerhouse, with all the security controls and compliance boxes checked. If you've got C-suite breathing down your neck about GDPR, SOC 2, HIPAA, this is your safe bet. Intercom sticks to the basics. Nothing special, and not quite as robust in compliance. Zendesk wins, hands down. And finally, CRM and sales tools. Zendesk focuses hard on support, but you can bring in CRM if you want to pay extra. It's not really meant to be your sales engine. On the flip side, Intercom shows up with built-in CRM features and automations for nurturing leads and getting sales moving. If you're all about growth and talking to leads, this is where Intercom shines brightest. Intercom takes the cake here. If you mapped out the scores, Zendesk absolutely dominates on ticketing, reporting, multi-channel messaging, and security, plus that wild integration count. Intercom spikes wherever AI, pricing, and CRM are key, but doesn't quite keep up in traditional helpdesk features. Honestly, Zendesk is the solid pick for teams that live in a ticketing world and want everything in one place, especially if you've got compliance headaches or tons of channel needs. But Intercom is super ideal if you want that chat-first, AI-powered experience, or if your strategy's all about sales and nurturing leads. So yeah, make your pick based on what really matters to your workflow. Which team are you on? ticketing titan, or chat-first champion. Stick around and hit that follow for more next-gen SaaS breakdowns. I'll catch you in the next one.